Buenas tardes. For the last 60 years, I have been working with financial software. Today, I have a startup, COBOL Toolkit. We create tools for COBOL programmers. COBOL is a software language created in 1959, 65 years ago. And still today, this software language dominates the financial world. 75% of the financial transactions in the world goes through COBOL. If you go to an ATM, cash your money, 95% of probability it will go through COBOL programs. Those systems need constant maintenance. There is always new products, always new regulatory rules, always new technologies. 2 million COBOL programmers are maintaining those systems. We are talking about 800 billion lines of COBOL to be maintained. It means in Spanish, 800 mil millones de lines of COBOL. Those guys, those 2 million guys that understand those programs, they are retiring. They are 60 years old or more. And the newcomers don't know how to deal with those programs. Those programs went through patches, repatches. They are really a mess. The AI was supposed to solve this, but companies cannot expose their code to public AI. And also, those programs are a mess. I told this already. AI cannot understand them and starts to hallucinate, to guess, and companies like insurance companies and banks cannot rely on hallucinations. COBOL Toolkit Local AI is the solution for the scarcity of COBOL programmers. COBOL Toolkit scans the programs, extracts the business logic, extracts the workflow. We then translate the workflow and the business logic to a language that AI can understand. There will be no hallucinations anymore. And we created the whole COBOL documentation. We create the workspace for those newcomers to work with confidence. They have the AI, the local AI. They can do queries. They can do prompts. They can interate with the programs and maintain them with total confidence. The first phase is already deployed. We put it in the cloud for people to see to have some kind of feedback. The feedback was very positive. People said that this is what the industry needs. COBOL Toolkit Local AI is, in fact, the solution of the scarcity of COBOL programs for corporations. Thank you very much. Thank you.